Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Rattlecan's house. I am James and this is the almost live week in review number 42. Numbers are hard. The sink for the most part is where we left it off on Tuesday, I think it was. The sink is in. The big issue is it has been offset 1.5 feet from its original position. Geometry was never my strong suit, so I'm waiting for my schedule to calm down a little bit to get a little bit of help from my buddy Steve, and we'll get that taken care of. So this half of the house is, with the exception of that bathroom, got a lot done. The doors have been put back on. We are now getting ready to, as you can see, I have sanded the kitchen, the breakfast nook, the kitchen hallway, the dining room, the living room, the front hallway, and the front hallway closet. Now, because we are going to be tack clothing and stuff like that, the weather has decided to be freaking miserable today. It's not hot, thank goodness for that, but it's humid, 85% humidity, something like that. We can check that in a minute. So anyways, this has been sanded, it has been vacuumed, it has been Swiffered, and now I am going to take a literal crap ton of tack cloths and try to get every last little speck of dust off of here. Situation is made even more fun by the fact that because we're getting ready to put finish on, we've had to turn the air conditioning off so that we're not blowing dust all over the place, which makes it, well, like I said, makes it even more funner. So as you can see, the floor has been sanded. This is all hooked up, working like a peach, siliconed in. I now have to cover it back up because I got a pleading message from Mrs. Rattlecan. Please don't use that. The cooktop has been siliconed in. Still haven't hooked it up because we've just been too busy doing floors. Oh, I actually underestimated it. Outside it is 69 degrees and 89% humidity. You can see our humidity is going to start creeping up on the inside. I do have 2 dehumidifiers running, one upstairs, one downstairs, but without the air on and its big massive dehumidifier, well, it's going to be a little sticky in here today. And then once we get the first coat on, we are going to come out and we are going to continue painting our kitchen cabinet doors, our kitchen cabinet drawers, and I've got a few more out in the shop. That's what's going on. Fun and excitement on a level not seldom seen, or not often seen, by mere humans. Anyways, that's the pretty much the week in review. We're plugging along. 2 weeks ish, give or take, till move-in day. So the pressure's on. We'll just take another walk through here just because we can, and it's raining even more. Hopefully this front will get out of here and bring us some drier weather, although I don't see it happening. It's some kind of a stationary front. It's just waffling back and forth. Anyways, this is Mrs. Rattlecan's house. I am James. My knees hurt. You guys have a good weekend. Cheers.